Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming what keyboard you have and why that matters. USB and PS/2 require different ports. Power down the Jiopc first to avoid hot plug quirks, then plug the keyboard into the matching port firmly. Once done, power the Jiopc back on and watch for keyboard LEDs or boot messages that indicate detection. If you see activity, you're past the first hurdle. If not, don't panic. You'll verify system settings next. Once the Jiopc boots, you verify detection by entering BIOS or UEFI. Make sure legacy USB or USB keyboard support is enabled so firmware accepts input early. Then boot the OS and check device lists. Device Manager on Windows or LSUSP on Linux will show the keyboard. If it's missing, update or reinstall the keyboard driver, and try other USB ports or a powered hub. These steps explain why firmware and drivers both play roles in making input usable. You finish by testing every key in a simple editor, and then set your preferred layout and repeat rate in the operating system. These tweaks improve usability. Make sure the cable is routed to avoid strain, and use proper adapters if the keyboard and Jiopc ports differ. If the keyboard still fails, try a different keyboard or port, reset BIOS settings to defaults, or temporarily power cycle the Jiopc. This one troubleshooting tip often resolves elusive detection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.